I wash my hands of this madness. Yeah, I had enough trying to be somebody else, never calling my own bluff. Thought I knew who I was mistaken. Found my ego in the corner, a little lost, a little shaken. But I heard there was a freedom, if you wanted it to be, at the edge of the horizon, where the desert meets the sea, where the highway meets a mile, where the city finds a light. Shrug the world off your shoulders, run naked through the night. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I said goodbye to the old me, hell to tomorrow. I had a heart full of rain, out of head full of sorrow. Oh, but through all that rain, I could still see the stars, and I danced in the mud with the ghosts of my fathers. Oh yeah, oh yeah. In a maze of constellations, the connections in between, I stood in the twilight. The air was warm and clean. Looked deep into my past, blew a tender kiss goodbye. Then I turned to face the west, and I lowered my eyes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I said goodbye to the old me, hell on to tomorrow. I can make it on my own, never backseat or borrow. The silence all around me, a rumble on the ground. Try lightning keeps on flashing, but it never makes a sound, never makes a sound, never makes a sound, never makes a sound, never makes a sound. Oh yeah. Thanks so much. That's called Never Makes a Sound. Great seats, y'all.